Okay, this is HyannisNews. Again, we're off at Race Lane. We're at a plane crash here. They're putting somebody onto a stretcher right now. Race Lane and also West Barnstable Road. We just came upon this scene. It looks like the plane crashed into the driveway area or hit the part of the house right up there somehow. Again, it's early and we're just figuring out what's happening here. This is HyannisNews. We're off at a plane crash where a plane hit a house on Race Lane at also West Barnstable Road. We'll bring you updates on the stories as they become available. HyannisNews.